So I am hungry and I am trying to watch my weight and not eat anything too bad. So I said, okay, let me see what ingredients I have in the kitchen so I can make my own dessert. And so I'm about to make a cinnamon banana protein bake. So come along with me. All right, so got my bowl. About to start. I need to mash my ripe banana. Okay, got my banana. Whoops. So that needs to get mashed up first, and then I add all the dry ingredients. So I'm gonna mash this up. I haven't mashed the banana in a long time, so I think it'd probably be better if I did. Let me see. Can I do it with a spoon? Be better with a spoon. Yeah, spoon is better. Right, banana, mash it up. So after I mash the banana, I'm going to add all the dry ingredients. I hope this is good because I found this online and I said, okay, these are all the ingredients I have and I found something. So let's see what we have. So I'm smashing it up real good. Okay. If you hear something in the background, that is the dryer going. My son is washing his clothes, drying his clothes. So, all right, so mash that up. Now I'm about to add all the dry ingredients. So I'm supposed to add a cup of almond flour. So this is a half a cup, so I'm just doing 2 of those. I'm doing a 1 cup of oatmeal. Oh, this is not oatmeal, that's protein, duh. 1 cup of oatmeal. No, it's actually a half a cup of oatmeal. It's a 1 cup of almond flour, a half a cup of oatmeal. Okay, so I'm on ball. I'm on ball. We have a scoop of protein. 1 scoop of protein. Vanilla protein here. 1 scoop. We have 2 tablespoons of agave. Okay. 2 tablespoons. That's 1. Oh, yeah, that's 2. All right. Then we have a tablespoon of grapeseed oil. A teaspoon of vanilla extract. Okay, teaspoon of cinnamon. It takes a lot to try to do a right thing, don't it? But you know, who's worth it more than you? All right, 2 tablespoons of chopped walnuts. It's, you know, it ain't it's fast food. It's fast when you make it effortless. Okay, how about that? 2 tablespoons. I want a little more walnuts than that. That's not enough to me. I'm gonna do 3. I like walnuts. Okay. 2 tablespoons of sunflower seeds. I hope I ain't messed this up by putting more, but I like it, so I can't see it being too bad. I have 2 tablespoons of coconut. Is this taking forever? Feels like a little bit. coconut. I do. Now I'm almost tempted to put a little bit more of that, but I'm not. And have a teaspoon of baking powder. No, it's a half a teaspoon. And now I'm supposed to mix it all up. So now, look at that. So now we mix it. Oh, it's smooth. I like it. I like how smooth it is. That's pretty dope. I know when I was reading it, I was like, this is going to be thick. Ugh. But it's not actually. I don't know. I'm getting a little scared because this is supposed to, feels like it should be looser than this, and this is not. I hope this turns out right. You can have to grease a small baking pan and spread it on the baking pan and cook it at 350 for 18 to 22 minutes. So hopefully we are in a good place. I'm just stirring, stirring, stirring. It's starting to, it smells good. So it might be all right, might be all right. Y'all, in another life, I was a lady that could eat all she wants and never get fat. That was another life. However, now I'm a lady that if I don't watch what I eat, it's gonna crack. So, oh, see now look at that. It's doing its thing. It's doing its thing. Who's happy over here? Me. All right. And you know, try to do this and make content. I said, you know, you cook so much. Just turn on the camera. They want to see you do it. I'm going to show y'all how I do it. Okay, so here we go. All right, now I have my small baking pan, and I'm going to spray it with some olive oil spray. Going all around the edges. Okay, so we got that done. Now I'm going to scoop it out and spread it all on here. Let's see. I'm gonna just put it all in there right now. Y'all, I think this is about to be fire because this smells so good. It really does. I hope so. I'm gonna bake it for these 18 to 22 minutes and see how it turns out. So I'm just gonna smash it through and it's gonna bake up and I'm gonna cut it. Ooh, I'm happy. I say if you happy and you know it. Look at that. That's pretty. Look how pretty. Girl. That's pretty. How pretty. Oh, I'm proud. See there? Patience. Patience, grasshopper. Here we go. All right. So the recipe said to sprinkle a little sunflower seeds on top. I'm mad. Not even a little bit. And a little coconut, a little more coconut flakes. It said just a little bit. All right. And a little coconut flakes. You know, something else. It did say put a pinch of salt. So I'm going to just put a pinch of salt right over on the top. Right on the top. Pinch of sea salt right on the top. So just like a little over the top. So that should be it. I'm about to put this in the oven for 18 to 22 minutes at 350 and I'll be back and let you know how it turns out. I'm cut into it and give you a taste test. Okay, all right, okay. Look, y'all, it turned out pretty. I'm looking at me somebody. It turned out pretty. I mean, but it turned out pretty. Check it out. Okay, so I'm about to cut it. I'm about to cut it. Let me hold this. Is this still hot? Okay. I'm about to cut it. I don't know. I think I'm going to do maybe, how many? Oh, no. That's kind of, yeah, you got to go down carefully. Like that. Okay. Got a nice consistency. Do I want to do, you know what? I'll just make it like that. Yeah. So it could be some nice squares. You see the, so it's going to be 9. I'll do 9. I think this, I'm so proud. I'm so proud. Because I don't consider myself a good dessert maker at all. I think I'm okay. But, and maybe too, because I don't give it a lot of attention. Like I'll be trying to do all that with the desserts because I like them, and they don't like me like that. So I don't be spending time with stuff that don't like me. So here we go. So I'm about to try it out. Let me get a piece. Oh, look at these. It got like nice crust on it too. You see that? Yeah. So about to taste this. Do I want a middle piece? I feel like this is pizza. I like edges, so I'm gonna get this one right here. Look at that. How pretty. Look, y'all. It's so good. It's gorgeous. Okay, so now I'm about to say something fat. What if this has some whipped cream? Oh, what if it has some butter? Okay, let me stop. I'm being so extra. This is big bag behavior that I'm talking about. So here we go. It's moist. Okay. Moist on 10. Here we go. Let's see. First taste. Now. Hold on. Be back. Hold on. Let me do this again. I like it. Okay. So, what would I change? Probably a little less coconut flakes. Still good. I would like to experience a strawberry glaze over this. Baby bye. This is good. It's good. I definitely make it again. Banana fire, everything. A little less coconut, and I'm a coconut lover, so I think the coconut flakes on the top, I put a little too many. I was supposed to, you heard me, I was like, so I did a little, the nuts, perfect, everything. If I had to get out of 10, I'd say this is a 8.5 out of 10. So add a strawberry glaze to it, a little less coconut. It's still fire, it's still good. But I'm gonna put the recipe in the comments and all the ingredients, and I hope you enjoy. I ain't gotta feel guilty about big bag behavior.